Hi viewers, this is Meenakshi Sundara Max teacher. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganit Tutor MS. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. In this video, I am going to solve the problem. Exercise 3.6, second problem, subdivision number 2. Clear? Actually, what they given in this problem? Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. Okay. They given a situation. We can convert the situation into the algebraic equation form in a pair of linear equation form. Then we can find the value of x and y also, and we can simplify the value, right? Simplify the problem and find the answer solutions. Clear? Actually, here two women, the second question is, two women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Actually, two women, 4 men. 2 women, 4 men can together finish the embroidery work in 4 days. Actually, is a one work they completed within the 4 days. They completed the 4 days. They take the time to complete 4 days. Next step. While 3 women and 6 men can finish it the same work. They can finish it. Who is it? 3 women and 6 men can finish the same work. That is a single work in 3 days. Find the time taken of one woman alone to finish the work and also the time taken of one man alone. Clear? Any doubt? What we have to find out in this problem, the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and that time taken by one man alone to finish the work. Clear? So what I should take here, let x be a number of days of one woman to finish the work and y be a number of days of one man to finish the work. Clear? Actually, here x is the number of days of one woman to finish the work and y be a number of days of one man to finish the work. Clear? Now x be a number of days to finish the work of one woman. Okay, now we can, let me find out the how much amount of work can be completed in the one day. For example, see here, it is a, I just consider it as a work. Clear? In the particular work, it is a work, it can be completed in 10 days. Clear? The whole work can be completed in 10 days. Now you can tell me how much work can be completed in one day. Actually, the whole work can be divided by 10 parts. Then the one day, one part is completed. The whole day, the whole work, the one part is completed. Are you all clear? We can divide the 10 days. So the work also can divide by 10 part. How much amount of work can be completed in a one day? That one part of work can be completed. Clear? Here also the same thing. The work done by a one woman in one day, it is a work, one work. How many days should be there? That is a x days. We take that is a x days, right? So in this x days, the whole part can be, the whole work can be divided by x. That is a one part of the whole x. Is it clear? That is, it can be read as 1 over x. Are you all clear? Next, the work done by a man in one day. The whole work is 1. The number of days is 10, right? The whole work is 1. So maybe the whole part is can be divided by 10 by 10. So how much part is completed? One part can be completed in a one day. The same way the whole work can be completed by y. That is 1 over y. Clear? Now according to the equation, the first condition, 2 women and 5 men. Clear? 2 women and 5 men. So 2 women, it is a one woman can complete the work. That is the amount of work of one woman completed, 1 by x. So 2 women, that is 2 into 1 by x. Next, 1 by y is a 1 men completed the work, amount of work, right? So 5 men, 5 into 1 by x, 5 into 1 by y. Now it is in a 4 days. So per day how much is completed? The work, that is 1 by 4. Clear? Actually the one work can be completed by 4 days. So first day how much it is completed per day? That is 1 by 4. Clear? Next, that is 1 over 4. Next, second condition, while 3 women, so 3 into 1 day work 1 by x. So 3 women, so 3 into 1 by x plus 6 men, so 6 into 1 over y, that is 1 by y, equal to 3 days they completed, that is in a 1 day, that is 1 by 3. Clear? Any doubt? So next, now as usual, now it is not a linear equation form. Now we can convert with a suitable substitution of a variable, we can convert this equation as a linear form. So I can put P is equal to 1 by X and Q is equal to 1 by Y. Listen, it is a more important question, right? Frequently they ask in exam. Next, now we can substitute the, instead of 1 by X you can put P, 1 by Y you can put Q. So 2P plus 5Q is equal to 1 by 4. Now equation number 1. Next, second condition, 3P plus 6Q equal to 1 by 3. Equation number 2. Clear? Now we can solve this pair of linear equation by any method. Here I can go with the elimination method. So in this elimination method I can remove the variable P. So elimination method. Elimination method. So in this elimination method, the LCM of, I am going to remove the variable P. So the LCM of 2, 3 is a 6. So the first equation 1 can multiplied by, I want to make this 2 as a 6. So which number I can multiply? 3. So 3 2 is a 6P plus 5 3 is a 15Q is equal to 1 4 into 3. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Next, second equation, I want to make this 3 as a 6. So which number I can multiply? 2. The second equation can multiply by 2. So 6P plus 12Q is equal to, here also I can multiply with 2. So 1 by 3 into 2, that is 2 by 3. Here also I can write 3 by 4. No, write here 4, right? Now we can go with the addition and subtraction to remove the variable P. So it is only for the simple subtraction. So change the sign, change the sign. Here also you can change the sign. So plus 6P minus 6P cancel. 15, 12, different sign. So plus 3Q equal to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Next, yeah. So now 3Q is equal to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So 3Q is equal to, now we can take LCM, 3 4 12. So 3 3 is 9 minus 2 4 is 8. So 3Q is equal to 9 minus 8 1 by 12. Next Q is equal to 1 by 12. Here it is multiplication, it comes this side become a 3 divided by. So Q is equal to 1 by 36. Now we find out a Q value. You can substitute this Q value in equation, any equation. Here I can come with go with the equation number 1. So first equation what they given here, 2P plus 5Q is equal to 1 by 4. Clear? Now we can, instead of P value you can substitute the value of 1 by 36. So 2 into 1 by 36 plus 2P plus 5 into 1 by 36 equal to 1 by 4. Next, 2P plus 5 by 36 equal to 1 by 4. Next, 2P is equal to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36. Clear? So next step, 2P equal to 36, LCM 36, right? So now I want to make this 4 as a 36. So it can be multiplied by a 9. The same thing we can multiply 9 here also. So 9 minus 5. So 2P is equal to 9 minus 5. It became a 4 by 36. Now 1 4s are 4, 9 4s are 36. So next, 2P equal to 1 by 9. Next step, P equal to 1 by 9 into 2. Here is a multiplication, it will come inside a divider. So P equal to 1 by 18. Clear? Now we find out a Q value and P value. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now what we assumed as a P here, that is 1 by X. So P is equal to 1 by 8. Then 1 by X is equal to 1 by 18. What we find out, assume that Q here, Q is equal to 1 by Y. That is 1 by Y is equal to 1 by 36. Clear? Now what's the X value? X is equal to 18. Here Y is equal to 36. cross multiplication. Clear? Now we find out x and y value. So the woman can complete a work within the in a day 18 days. Men can complete a work in 36 days. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? I hope in this video you made clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Here I will enclose a few problems for practice. You can practice the problem. While practicing the problem, if any doubt, you just ask in a comment. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you all of you.